Hello everyone, I am Dr. J. Krishnaraj, Assistant Professor from the Department of Automobile Engineering, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, Valley Campus, Coimbatore. In this video lecture, I am going to be brief about that optimizing efficiency and performance and insight into engine and vehicle management system. So, how to optimize the engine and vehicle management system performance as well as the efficiency. So nowadays the engine performance and efficiency for optimizing the techniques is a crucial part in our automobile vehicles. So in very earlier, so we have a mechanical operations, so we cannot able to achieve that much of optimized values in terms of performance and efficiency. But at present, so we reached an autonomous level of working. So it is by the way of engine and vehicle management systems that makes to optimize the entire functionality of the engine as well as the vehicle performances. So the introduction part, the purpose and the scope of the engine and vehicle management systems. For optimizing the efficiency and performance, so the engine and vehicle management system at present now faced and world a lot for the developing team. For maximizing efficiency and performance is crucial for any engine and vehicle. To achieve this, advanced management systems play a vital role. From intelligent fuel injection systems to real-time performance monitoring, these systems ensure optimal operations, reduce the emissions, and enhance the driving experience. Let's delve into the fascinating world of engine and vehicle management system and discover the cutting-edge technologies that drive modern vehicles to peak performance. So that these cutting-edge technologies, like what are the cutting-edge technologies? Now we have introduced GDI engine, turbocharged GDI engines, and if you are looking to this vehicle management system, hill hold assist, or like an autonomous vehicles, or traction control systems, electronic stability programs, all those things are nowadays interconnected with the systems ECU. Not only for that, now the AI tool also be introduced with these systems. So these systems are controlled by externally also. So nowadays AI that makes the function of all those things. So this is the main part of this engine and vehicle management systems in the advanced futuring in the world. So the understanding of the basics, components and functions of the engine management systems. So to understand the engine management systems, it is important to grasp the basics. These systems consist of various components including sensors, actuators and ECUs. These sensors gather the data about the engine performance as well as the vehicle performance also in terms of position as well as the vehicle movement. While the actuators regulates the functions like fuel injection, ignition timing and other parameters like vehicle stability, vehicle braking system, vehicle positioning, that is for the actuators regulates the vehicle controlling systems. And the ECU, these ECU process the information and make adjustments to optimize the efficiency and performance. With this understanding, we can now explore the different functions that these systems fulfill modern our vehicles. So based on this sensorical data, the ECU will functions, that ECU signals based on that, the actuators will control the entire engine and vehicle management systems. For enhancing the fuel efficiency, what are the strategies for optimizing the fuel consumptions? To enhance the fuel efficiency, engine and vehicle management system employs several strategies. These strategies includes the adjusting the air-fuel ratios, whether it is a stoichiometric or lean mixture or rich mixture or overload enrichments. Sometimes we are demanding overload more than the possible thing. While fully loaded truck is up climbing, by the time we demanding full power, and by the time it demands overloading, fuel load enrichments. And optimizing the ignition timing, make advance or retard functions, and vary the spark intensity level also. Sometimes if you are demanding overload fuel enrichment, the regular spark intensity level is not enough to burn that much rich mixture. By the time this optimized ignition timing and the ignition systems so will enrich the spark intensity level, and implementing the technologies like cylinder deactivation. So if the vehicle is running no load conditions, whether it is a 6-cylinder engine, so it is in the Honda Civic, it is having these technologies, cylinder deactivation. In 6-cylinder engine, when the vehicle is running with a limited load, only 3 cylinders are working, remaining cylinders are not working. Based on this power, the activation and deactivation occurs. It is exists in India as well as in the Honda Civic vehicle. And start-stop systems. On this stop-start systems, Maruti is well versed used in this. So mild hybrid systems, in the name of mild hybrid systems, to start and stop the entire systems. So when the vehicle is idling for more than 10 seconds, automatically it switches off the engine functions. And if you are pressing the clutch pedal or acceleration pedal, so it will automatically switch on the engine. No need to manually switch on the engine. So automatically it start and stop the engine based on the working condition. These strategies aim to reduce the fuel consumption and emissions. So on the part of emissions, so like in exhaust gas recirculation systems, so turbocharged engines, turbo boosts are used for improving the emission, reducing the emission, improving the performance. And like in ammonia injections, so pre-catalytic, post-catalytic functions are carried out. Ultimately for improving the overall efficiency and sustainability in the modern vehicles. The next is on maximizing the power output. Techniques for increasing the performance. To maximize the power output, engine and vehicle management system utilize various techniques. These includes the turbocharging and supercharging. So through turbocharging and supercharging, so we can increase the volumetric efficiency. And of course also turbo boost technology also used, because these turbocharger and superchargers so will have some lagging in time. By the time the turbo boost so will compensate the power. And the direct injection system, of course DI vehicles will give some more power comparative to the indirect injections, so which boost the engine efficiency and increase the horsepower. Additionally, advanced engine control algorithms and adaptive tuning allow for optimal performance across different driving conditions, ensuring thrilling driving experience while maintaining the fuel efficiency. That is an like ECU coding. So through ECU coding, so we can optimize the adaptive tuning through algorithms. So through which, so we can improve the efficiency and maximize the power, everything, all the aspects. So that engine management system software and importance, its key features. So the engine management software is essential for optimizing the engine performance of modern vehicles. It controls critical functions such as fuel injection, ignition timing and airflow, ensure the optimal engine operations. So that is capable of controlling the opening and closing of valves that admit and allows to escape the air fuel mixtures and exhaust gases. And the advancements and retard function of the spark timing also. So likewise the several things that makes the functions to optimize. The key features includes real-time monitoring and diagnostic capability and the ability to customize the engine parameters, enabling drivers and tuners to fine-tune the performance and to achieve maximum efficiency and power output. Yes, of course this is possible at present now. So in earlier we have only mechanical components. We need to replace the components for improve the engine performance. But at present now with the same engine, we can optimize by doing the customization of the engine operations by ECU tuning and coding. So the real-time operation we can able to monitor by means of OBD tool, so that we can able to identify the error codes and like in health status of the components and failure of the components, so that it is very easy to identify all those things, and we can able to modify, we can able to tune the engine for performance and achieving the maximum efficiency in terms of power output. In the same way, vehicle management systems integration with the engine management system. So the engine and vehicle management systems are different in functionality, but it is having an integrated working principle, because so the engine is working as separate and the engine control module is separate, but the vehicle control module is separate, that controlling the vehicle motions only, like stability, braking, steering, like these kind of things are like an hill hold assist, traction control system, electronic stability program, ABS, all those things are vehicle stability, vehicle management system. But in the engine management system, it is purely based on the injection systems, air modules, turbo boost, like these kind of systems based on the driver's requirement. But the driver's requirement is common for engine and vehicle management system. It is not different in this. Driver is demanding more power and thrilled experience of driving. So the engine and vehicle management system both are having interconnection with that, so that only it is capable of delivering maximum of power what they are demanding driver, as well as it controls the vehicle performance also, vehicle stability also. So that vehicle management system work in conjunction with engine management software to optimize overall vehicle performance. These systems controls various components including transmission, suspension, braking and traction control to ensure seamless integration and coordination. By fine-tuning these systems, drivers can enhance vehicle handling, stability and safety, providing a comprehensive approach to optimizing efficiency and achieving peak performance on the road. So in the aspect of safety, or like an adaptive like in damping systems for the suspensions, so which are the integral part of the vehicle control unit, so which has a conjunction with the engine management also. So it is based on that can modify the engine performance. So it is a very important aspects in this vehicle management system. Diagnostics and troubleshooting for identifying and resolving these issues. Diagnostic and troubleshooting are the integral aspects of engine and vehicle management systems. These systems has built-in sensors and diagnostic functionalities that can identify and alert the driver to potential issue or malfunctions. By analyzing data and utilizing diagnostic tools, driver can pinpoint and resolve system issues promptly, ensuring optimal performance, reliability and longevity of the vehicle. At present now, the vehicles are integrated with the several sensors and actuators with the control of ECU. So with an advanced AI technologies, so whenever the problems that has arisen in our vehicle while the vehicle is driving, so that starts to gives the malfunction signal to the driver in the cluster box. So the driver can able to, when it glows, so the respective problem, the driver already he knows about that basic things. So that if it is engine malfunction is occurs, means some problem arises in the engine. If high pressure light is arises, means either if it is in the fuel or in the oil, high pressure is developed. Likewise, the driver can able to understand the problems, not only by the driver. So if the OBD tool is connected with the vehicle, so that diagnostics the respective problem and it gives the signal whether this component is get failure, so that only this problem occurs, like that it gives the signal. So when resolve the issues promptly, we can achieve the longevity of the vehicle performance as well as the life also. It is made possible only by means of the advanced technologies, right? So the performance tuning and fine tuning engine and vehicle parameters for optimal results. Engine and vehicle management system allows for performance tuning by coding and ECU tuning, enabling driver to fine tune various parameters for optimal results. By adjusting factors such as fuel delivery, ignition timing and airflow rate, drivers can enhance the engine power, improve the fuel efficiency and achieve the desired performance characteristics. Proper performance tuning can transform the driver experience and maximize the potential of the vehicle. So by connecting the OBD tool or ECU coding, so we can optimize the functions, values, everything. So that either that improves the fuel efficiency or else that capable to improve the vehicle performances also. That is made possible with the same engine without changing any mechanical components. By adjusting the electronics, so we can achieve these two strategies. So what are the future technologies, trends and advancements in engine and vehicle management system? So on this engine and vehicle management system are continuously evolving to improve or incorporate future technologies. These includes advancements in artificial intelligence, machine learning and connectivity, all those things. These technologies enable real-time monitoring and optimization and predictive maintenance and autonomous driving capabilities. Studying aware of these trends and embracing them can lead to improved efficiency, performance and safety in our vehicles. So these are all some of the future technologies. Now the researchers are working towards these technologies. So the future trend also will be like these systems only. So on the conclusion of this, so what is the takeaway? Key takeaways and the importance of efficient management systems. So efficient engine and vehicle management systems are crucial for optimizing performance and ensuring safety on the road. By embracing advancements in AI, machine learning and connectivity, vehicles can benefit from the real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance and autonomous driving capabilities. Staying informed about these trends is essential for manufacturers and drivers alike to stay ahead for unlock the full potential of their vehicles. So these are all some of the key points. In future we need to develop our skill sets. Thank you everyone.